Boneless chicken 350 gram. Onion a small piece. 4 garlic cloves. Ginger small pieces. 10 peppercorns. Salt to taste. Water 2 cups. On low heat, cover it and cook for 15 minutes until the chicken cooks completely. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan. With the help of fork, shred the chicken nicely and set aside. Butter 2 tablespoons. Oil 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. 3 green chilies chopped. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 onion sliced. Sauté onions until translucent. 1 capsicum chopped. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. All-purpose flour 1 tablespoon. Sauté for 2 to 4 minutes. Milk 1 cup. Mix well and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Salt 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder ½ teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes ½ teaspoon. Soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Mix well and cook for 5 more minutes or until thickens. Add shredded chicken. Mix until well combined. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. Place the puff pastries in a lined baking tray. Brush the pastry sheets with an egg wash. Scoop out a teaspoon of chicken filling. Fold each square pastry into a triangle. Seal the edges with a fork. Gently brush the top surface of each pastry with egg wash. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Enjoy!